I know a lot of people are thinking, what could you possibly change the Edition 34? Like, I know you got your Golf Rs now and your S3s and stuff like that, but I need to free up a bit of money so I can go quite mad on the Mark II Golf, because I want to make this Mark II Golf like the watermark for the channel, make it fucking sick. So what I've done, I've sold the Golf now, and I'm going to show you around what I've just bought now. Fucking Volvo, boys. So I know a lot of you are probably thinking, wow, you're 21, you drive a fucking Volvo and you drive a 1991 Mark II Golf. What is that all about? 21 going on 41. So what it is, to some sharp eye viewers, you would have seen it as a T5. So technically I've bought a Focus ST, 220 brake, 2.5 5 pot. So I got it for a good price, and I just decided that I need something that's fairly economical, which it is, to be fair, because it is standard and decent to look at. So it is a pre-facelift, for anyone that doesn't know much about them. So it's an 07 plate, it's done 130,000 miles, and honestly it just drives like new. It just drives perfect, there's no problems with it, just had the cam belt done, and for the price I couldn't go wrong. So I'm into, like, now I've bought it and I can hear the 5 pot roaring, I don't know whether to put an exhaust on it or not, but ideally I want to free the funds up for the Mark II, so I don't think I will. And it's just decent to look at for the age of it, so, and the price, fuck it, why not? So I have bought a Volvo T5 C30 for those who didn't see or know which model it was, manual.